name is Melody. Today I will wear a Chinese New Year scene. If you are curious about the outfit I'm wearing, watch it until it's finished. Come on! I want to wear a red Chinese New Year dress. Wow! This is the process of making the clothes I will wear. Okay, I will try using it. Wow, the dress is very interesting. I like it. Next, I want to wear simple gold shoes. Try using it. So adorable. I like it. I want to hold the fan accessories. I try to hold. Yes, this is what I want. I want to wear earrings to make it more beautiful. How am I prettier without these earrings? Oh yes, I want to put on makeup and change my hair. Eyeshadow. Eyeliner. And lipstick. This is me before wearing today's outfit. And yes, here I am after wearing the Chinese New Year theme outfit. Very pretty, isn't it? I will take a picture first today.
Yes, I want to take a photo. Yes, I want to take a photo.
Well, this is a great place. I'm ready to take a picture. If you have suggestions or ideas about what outfit is suitable for me to wear next, please comment below. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned for my next outfit.